My name is Nurul Gihandayani. I will speak about student. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and best wish for all of you. Improving the quality of the nation must be adopted and especially through education. Education is a long process which chasing to activities on objective and open to new ideas and new concepts. That is the meaning of education, that one day the result of the education that will foster a new culture of humans intelligence during the intelligence humans. It has the wisdom and virtue in his soul. Only after that he was able to master science and technology. The culture, that is the culture which in the entered into the order of society culture alternatives to be fashioned by this nation. Everything is well organized through education that can educate, able to cultivate virtues and with soul and master of science and technology. That's the future that will transform the nation into a new Indonesia. This world seems to be for education in Indonesia, not to meeting the shortage of teaching staff. Resolve the problem of inadequate educational facilities come up, and following the because of education issue will fail as a nation that remains in many ways compared to other nations. Therefore, the only way for the nation is to improve education in order to make an intelligent nation through comprehensive nation education system and planned but to go in that direction. The route taken very long and difficult because the issue of education is strongly associated with other factors including the economy, security, and other social issues. The teachers are expected to begin to change the way students learn. The teachers are not longer allowed to put pressure on students as rote learning and profits multiple choice question multiple choice because it could have an impact on the formation of personality. The role of education as a means of empowerment must constantly prepare students in the life of society, both as individuals and members of society. Empowerment only has meaning if it becomes part of the improvement process and practice of culture. Therefore, education should foster spirit of independent, self-moving statements and educated students to live in harmony with respect to difference. Looking ahead, the education system must change from a motivational, instructional, achievement, creativity, and virtuous change. The Honorable Audience we study not to go the graduation ceremony and hang our picture on the wall of our house, much less to show off to our friends. We study to practice and to acquire knowledge, and those two then will prepare you to the real life student education brings used to many benefits such as confidence, inclusiveness, and thus to the will prepare you to the real life situation. Educate brings you to many benefits such as confidence in courses, freedom to teach, consistence as a way help used to improve ourselves to fulfill to feel that we are smart in life and that we have and for which to live, but this is not the only satisfaction that educate gives you, but with it we achieve a better quality of life when we went to buy a dress, shoes, food, or anything else we need a work week. Currently is not so easy to find and list of we don't have an adequate education. It is said that the future of our country is in the hands of the children, and as to children in this country we must try hard to achieve that. That is why today we all the audience here to reflect on the improve of educate. We have to take advantage of this chance to be able to go school to study. We must appreciate the form that our parents make to send you to school, and think that there are many children who would like to study but for some reason they cannot do it. Finally, ask ourselves with whole effort and education, how do we want to live better? In short, how do we want a better country? Therefore, education is an important part of our life as well as an essential part to develop a better future of the country. So this is the end of my speech today. I hope some of the points that I have Chang fit today make is more appreciated of our chance to be able to have the educate at school and make use to the more dignity of both our country and our own future. Thank you uh, for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.